A relationship of convenience is built on a foundation that can't stand pressure. In an hour of trial, loyalty says, hold on. Convenience says, walk away. Naomi says goodbye to her daughters-in-law, but Ruth clings to her and gives us one of the most beautiful speeches in Scripture. Don't press me to leave you or turn back from following you. Wherever you go, I will go. Where you lodge, I will lodge. Your people shall be my people, and your God my God. Where you die, I will die. There will I be buried. May the Lord do thus and so to me, and more as well, if even death parts me from you. Ruth chapter 1, 16 to 17. Loyalty entails two steps: letting go and clinging. Ruth first had to let go of relationships and connections with familiar faces in Moab. She also had to let go of the deities of her homeland. Happy morning.